Hi, I am Sue Ann, Jesus enthusiast, wife, mother, and maker of things. Follow along with me in making crafts, apparel, jewelry, and so much more, all while sharing daily life experiences. And being a mother of 5, I promise I have plenty of those. So put on your confidence cap and let's get to making. Hey everyone, hope you are having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't seen you since opening up the new Cricut Maker 3. I haven't even got to use it very much just because I got sick, unfortunately, over spring break with my toddler, and it has taken a few weeks to get better. But I finally felt up to putting on some makeup today and being part of society, and so I figured we could make some fun car coasters. These coasters are so cute and fun. I love leopard. I love the simplicity of it, and it indicates whose is whose. It takes all the guesswork out. You don't have to see who popped 5 things on the top of their lid anymore. You just know whose belongs to who. They are soft, they're flexible, and they also do a great job at soaking up all that condensation from your beverage. So grab your things and let's get to making. So you are going to need 2 car coaster sublimation blanks, a piece of sublimation paper to put in your sub printer, the design which you'll find on Design Space, a pair of scissors, thermal tape, and then a piece of butcher paper to put on top of your design when you're pressing it. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna do is click in the search bar here and you're gonna type in Sue Ann with an E. You're going to scroll down to community members. You won't see me at first, so click on view all. Scroll down just a bit and there I am on the left-hand side. My recommendation would be to follow me so that you can quickly get to this design easy next time, and then also see all the new things that we'll be uploading on a regular basis. So click on the project, Mine and Yours Car Coasters. And we are going to click Make It. Now, if you want to customize this depending on the size of your car coaster, you can go ahead and do that. These are currently set at 2.85 inches, which is slightly bigger than the coaster that I have. I like for my design to go over just a little bit to make sure that I don't have any extra white space on accident. These are also set to print, then to be cut. So we are going to click continue. We are going to send to the printer. Now I am using my Sawgrass SG1000 printer, so I want to use that one, but I'm going to be using it through the actual print manager settings. So I'm going to turn off the bleed and I'm going to use the system dialog. As you can see, it's opened up here. I'm going to go to where it says PDF and extend that menu, and I want to go to Sawgrass Smart Folder. I'm going to put it in there and it's automatically going to come up. Okay. So as you can see, it has already mirrored my image, which is exactly what I want whenever you are doing a heat transfer. I'm going to click print. Okay, so I could go ahead and have my Cricut cut out this image, but I'm just going to save some time and also my Cricut mat by getting it dirty and just cut this out myself. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and take our design and then our 2 blank coasters, and we're gonna get these lined up. While we're doing that, I went ahead and turned on my heat press to 400 degrees so that we can get that warmed up while we're working. So we want it to go ahead and print on this white side. So as you can see, I've made it just a little bit bigger. That way I am sure that it's gonna go all the way to the outer edges. Now I'm gonna use some heat resistant tape to tape down my image to my coaster. And take our coasters and we're going to flip them over because we want the heat to come from the top to go into the sublimation paper. And then to help protect it, we're going to put on a little piece of butcher paper. Close up your press and wait 45 seconds. There we go. It's steaming. Okay, now we've let those cool off for just a second. We are going to peel it up. Look at how cute that is. Mine and yours. You know which ones they are. Got distracted by the Amazon van. I'm sure they'll be stopping by here soon, which means the dogs will start barking. Thank you so much for joining me today and making these fun. Oh, there they go. Thank you so much for joining me today and making these fun car coasters. I really appreciate you stopping by. Be sure to click the like and subscribe button. Join me next time to make a leather bookmark using the Cricut Maker 3. I'm excited to finally be able to feel well enough to dive into it and see what all it can do. So until next time, be confident in who you are and all that you do. Bye.